Welcome to the WiseGuy channel. Today's video is of the fabrication and installation of the backyard drainage system, better known as French drains. See how he determines where to place the new drain systems to keep the yard from flooding. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get going and watch the WiseGuy in action to ensure the backyard doesn't turn into a mud puddle.
Perfect time. Pretty much lay out some basic drainage pipes. Okay, we already got one going underneath the concrete. We follow that basic 3-incher that's going to the collector. Right, we're going to go ahead and continue that along that run. When the ground gets softened up by the rain, it's easy to pull out the pick, the spade shovel, and trench those pipes in. Lickety split. That's how we do it at the Backyard Project.
For all that have been watching and paying attention, notice there is a new addition to the Backyard Project. The WiseGuy is fabricating a huge water fountain and pond system. Our videos are showing multiple tasking at its best in the background. Anyway, let's get back to the WiseGuy describing the backyard drain system he is building.
So prior to pretty much doing the concrete, we set the first pipe, right? That's going to collect whatever's coming off of this roof valley, right? You could just totally picture at a monsoon, it's coming down like a waterfall. As you see, the roof valleys, right, create a little stream waterfall. Right, we're going to carry the French drain system through here. This way, even in snow, monsoon, whatever, it's draining in that direction to the 3-inch piping, ending up down in the collector. As I was saying, we're multitasking. We're working the French drain since it's softened the ground up. And we're putting up the gazebo. Looks like the rain just stopped. Pretty much washed everything down. Let's get back to work on the Backyard Project. Working on the French drain system for the Backyard Project. Take a look at it. Whoop. This will be covered in felt. Make a sock. It'll come and discharge here. It's gravity fed. All right, just applied the pretty much filtration socks to the French drain. Now we're going to use our compaction sand for leveling and get these brick pavers installed with a little bit of metal edging. Let's get to work. What you're looking at is the 2-inch drain system on this side of the Backyard Project. Okay, so we're about ready to sock it up, cover it up in a felt. We'll show you what that looks like after I do that. We have a drain right here. It catches the water coming off of the roof valley. This thing is gravity fed. I'm working another drain over here. Not quite yet finished. We'll show you naturally when that's done. That's going to catch the water coming off of this valley of the roof. Then it's pretty much piped underneath the concrete walkway. Our French drain pipe has been all socked up. This will keep the sand and fine dirt particles from penetrating in there and settling at the bottom of the pipe. Please remember, I'm still working this area, but what I could do right now is drop the weed barrier down and spread some aggregate right here. We'll show you what it looks like when we're finished up. We're on another leg of the drain system on the Backyard Project. Here's what it's looking like. We're about ready to sock it up. Okay. Then it shoots underneath the concrete, and we'll be working it to that main 3-inch line. All right, there's the 2-inch PVC drain pipe, all socked up. It's glued. The drain's in. Now we're going to go ahead and drop some more felt and finish it off with some aggregate. Just lobbed in the aggregate. Take a look at the drain. All right, it's all tidied up. Let's show you how it's working. Check it out, barely got the water on. Okay, let's go see how it's draining at the other end. So it's traveling underneath here. Okay, here's how far we got it. Gravity fed. Remember, we're going that way to the 3-inch main. Let's get back to work. And then we're going to trench it and have it go underneath the pond stream. And we'll connect it to the 3-inch drainage pipe going to the collector. Anyway, let's get back to. All right, check it out. Got a little trickle action going on the hose. Okay, you know which way these drain pipes are going. Okay, then it cuts over here, dips underneath the stream for the pond, connects to the 3-inch. Over here, we're leaving this a little loose. We got to do an overflow for the pond. We'll connect it over there. Comes down this 3-inch main, hits the collector, and look at that. Is that working like a champ? All gravity fed. Let's get back to work. We'll show you what it looks like when we get some more aggregate down here to get this covered up, as well filling in this trench. If you look, pretty deep. All right, let's get back to work on the backyard project. Just dumped the aggregate, put another layer of felt. This will give it extra protection from that fine silky sand. Okay, this we're gonna leave loose because on our pond we got a skimmer with an overflow. We'll be connecting it right there. What you're looking at is the French drain collector. I just mortared up pretty much the area where the PVC pipe goes through the collector so it could drain through those 2 portholes. Anyway, let's go ahead and get the aggregate back in place and show you what it looks like. All right, there's the backyard main. I don't know, peek into the collector, see if everything's flowing. Right, that's how the finished grade. All right, let's get back to work on the backyard project.
Thank you for watching. We hope you join us on the upcoming videos on our backyard project. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And, like always, we'll see you on the next video.